Okay, we're about to climb up in this tower up here. We've never done this before. There doesn't seem to be anyone out here or anyone preventing us from doing it. So
oh, there's a birdhouse.
we're going to give it a try. Oh, we just scared up a bird.
Oh.
I think I need to be. Oh, right. Look at there.
Kind of reminds me of like people take those trips to Japan, and there's that one Shinto tower with the. They all kind of look like this.
Yeah. All right, here we go up the steps.
Oh, there's more trash down there. 2 bottles of Gator.
Yeah. It's gonna be a pretty cool view up here, I think.
Yeah. You should probably edit the walking up all the steps.
Maybe it might be cool to. Man, this is almost tiring. That'd be a good workout run up here, run all the way up this tower and back down. Whoa, look at that.
Huh.
We're not even at the top yet.
There's still 2 more, I think.
Whoa. That makes my feet hurt.
Oh, look, somebody carved something.
Yeah, their names.
Stall, Gutta, C. Oh, it's probably a bunch of initials.
Here's Johnny, Frank, and Alec. Whoa. That's quite a view.
Jesus on the ground. I guess Jesus was here. He put his name.
I guess so.
Alexis,
Whoa.
Batley. It's kind of good with all the urban stuff I see to just see all this land that's like,
Yeah,
you know, free.
I know. And this is so close to our house, like this.
Hey, there's something in that pond back there. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's moving. Like this, Dad. Like it's...
I think it's a feeder or something.
Yeah. Kind of looks like a water fountain.
I see another one closer to here, right over there.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
And there's another one right there, so it's definitely
Oh,
on
yeah.
that fence. Oh, those are to keep something from climbing on those fences, I think.
Oh. Huh. Look, there's just more trash at the bottom.
You noticing the trash.
Trash is it?
Dang. It looks a long way down from where we were. Bring in some chairs or something. Sit up here and hang out.
This seems like the end because it only branches off to that.
Yeah, I guess it is the end.
You can see the boardwalk from all the trees.
Okay, we've spent some time at the top out here at Grand Bay. really beautiful up here. And I guess we're gonna head back down the steps. I'm trying to carve your name.
Yep.
Many people have carved their name on this.
Yep, carved. The tip of my finger's green now, but it's carved. Dylan.
Dylan, where is it? Dylan was here.
I'm not gonna put my finger
Right.
through that to write was here.
Yeah. Oh, you did that with your finger.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's too much work.
Yeah, I don't have a stick. Somebody should have left like a stick or something.
Here's the official Grand Bay carving stick.
Yeah. A lot of cardio.
Yeah. Just do that workout, jog all the way here, up the steps, and then back down and back to the car.
I should build something like this in my Minecraft world. And one of them, I already have a watchtower.
Uh-huh.
With 3 floors. It's just this giant, like, it has 4, like, wooden pillars stuck into the ground. And it's like, when you get on top of it, you can see, like, everything I've made in that world. Like, the whole thing. And I added a spyglass on top.
That's pretty awesome. All right. I'm gonna walk out on the end of that.
Yeah, sure. More trash. There's a Coke bottle in this thing. I think. Oh. Can you? Oh, wait, yeah. Should be live. Whoa, look at that. A little red bird. I think that's a cardinal. Yeah, I think that
It
was
was flying.
Yeah, that was a male cardinal.
Didn't see it. I don't know, man.
I don't know. These steps are freaking my brain out. I'm seeing weird stuff. It's like, it looks like each step is like trying to move, is like moving forward.
There's a mushroom right there. Is that a mushroom?
What?
Over there.
That yellow thing?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Here, let me check it out. Oh, it's too wet on there. I don't want to get that muddy. So here we are coming back to the car after our trip. It was pretty fun, right, Dylan?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.